This is the Kukirin T3. Let's take it out of the box, then we'll talk about the specs. Probably the easiest way to lift this is to put the handlebars up. Okay, so what we have is a toolkit which has a few screws inside, which I think is for the mudguard. Of course, get their manual mudguard we need to attach, and a typical Kukirin fashion, a 2 amp hour charger. The good thing is it's very easy to assemble. We'll just attach the handlebars, then the mudguard, then we'll have a brief talk about the specs. 4 screws. The good thing is that the screws have Loctite, plus they have now a guide in the middle of the handlebars, so you know when it's dead center. Something very good from Kukirin. So there's only 4 screws, 2 on each side for the mudguard, and if you take a look, it almost covers the actual full wheel, and it's nice and wide here, so that's actually very nice to see. I like the sharp lines here, definitely looks different. By the way, if you have any questions for this T3, let me know in the comment section below, and then I may feature them in the full review or the 4-side video. But for now, we really need to see what kind of spec we are dealing with this latest scooter. Okay, so we have a 48 volt, 15 amp hour battery, 45 km top speed, 58 km max range, and a 800 watt brushless motor. Kind of the same spec as a lot of their other scooters that are in the similar price range. It says it's 120 kilogram payload, of course it has suspension, it has the new 10-inch tubeless tires, which are very nice, and it has 8 hours of charging from flat. So I'm going to give it a full charge, give the scooter a once over, check the brakes, pump the tires, and give it a first ride. So if you have enjoyed this unboxing video, give it a like, check out my other Kukirin videos, and I'll see you there.